Hello friends, welcome to Nursing Career Club. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting course that we've designed for all the NABH accredited hospitals across the country. It's called the NABH 12-month lineup. Some of the benefits of this lineup are that we're going to do all of these courses as per the 5th edition of NABH. And say for example, in your hospital, you've taken up the objective standard of a 5th edition guideline and you've customized it as per your hospital and you've improvised on the process. So what we'll do is, in the course we'll introduce your protocol and we'll customize it as per your system that you're following in the hospital. In this way, your team will learn what you want them to learn. Some of the benefits of this course are that it's a paperless training. Your staff can read and go through our videos and PDF notes and take the quizzes on their phones only. If they have certain doubts, those doubt clearing sessions can be arranged once their training videos are complete as per the system. In this case, your nursing, your paramedical teams, as well as your housekeeping, all of these three teams can be trained and they will be well versed with the NABH protocols. What happens is, when the NABH inspection comes, we focus a lot and we tell the people a lot of things. But once the inspections are done, sometimes what happens is team members, they start forgetting some of the protocols. So this will be a good way to brush up their skills. We will be providing a certification for this course lineup from Nursing Career Club after the successful completion of the course, and we're going to provide the MIS weekly for all the registered users. Now, how we will proceed with this is that we'll have a pilot course first. Say for example, there are 10 team members that you want to associate with us first. We'll have a pilot course of 1 month, 30 days, in which we have covered 10 subjects, 10 chapters, which we feel are very, very relevant to be covered in the pilot course. If your team likes it, then we can go ahead with the 12-month lineup. After this pilot course is done, each month we'll take your team members through each individual chapter in detail. We have tried to make very interesting videos out of each standard and objective element to make it more interesting for the team. Once all of this is done, in the final 12th month, we'll have a 5th edition complete revision course also. It's of course up to you. Whichever course you want to opt for, you can opt for that. As we've already spoken about this, each month we will introduce your team members to individual chapters so that they have an in-depth knowledge of each objective element. So the pilot course, which is the first month course, which is the registration cost of 99 rupees per user, it covers biomedical waste management, BLS, Red Code, consent and patient care, end of care cycle, high risk medication, pain management, sample collection, surveillance and medication care. If you have any queries, you can call on this number provided here, or you can write us an email on info@nursingcareerclub.com. You can also visit our website www.nursingcareerclub.com for all the other kind of courses that are available with us. Thank you so much.